Okay, here I am in the Oculus Quest virtual environment, and I have my screen here. I've already created my guardian, and this is what I see after I go through all those first steps of creating the guardian. What I will do is I will open apps, this button right here saying apps, and I will go to browser right here. Click browser, and here it is. I will type Kula, K-U-U-L-A .co, enter. And from there, I'm seeing this because I already logged in, but what you will probably find is just a basic Kula website, and you want to click explore here, go to search, type capital M O D E I R T U L space capital D E S I G N S for modern virtual designs. It only works if you capitalize the first M. Sometimes I search myself and I just type modern and it comes up, or modern virtual and it comes up. So enter, and there I am. You just click modern virtual designs, and then from there you can scroll down and you can enter the haunted house at your own risk. I actually don't watch horror movies, and so I actually got scared by my own haunted house that I made. So you guys can be entertained. The creepy guy that I made, the creepy ghost in this tour, is really creepy. I darkened it a little bit while I was in the headset, the Oculus Quest 2 headset, and it's pretty dark. And especially if you're on the PC, it's darker, and on your mobile device, it's like black. You can't really see anything. So it's best seen in the Oculus Quest 2. Before I had it where you can see it on your mobile or PC pretty well, because I lightened it with a, I edited it and I added a hue that would lighten the tour, like a filter. But it got weird in some spots, so I darkened it again, and I haven't actually entered the tour with the creepy guy when it's darkened, so here we go. So what you want to do is there's this little button up here that you want to click on. It's like a VR headset symbol, and as soon as you click on that, you're in virtual reality. So I'm warning you. Here we are in the virtual tour. Okay. And what you do is, you look around, you can see all the details and everything, but what you do is you hover over the little white dots and you can move to the next scene. And you actually can turn around and see, like, the whole house. And okay, I need to brace myself because I'm about to go see this creepy guy. Oh my god. So if I turn, oh my god, who's that? Yeah. You guys don't really know until you actually put this headset on. It's very creepy. It's like this guy is right behind me. It is very creepy. And so, this is my favorite spot in the haunted house because I'm a distance away from the creepy guy. And I can see my black cat and all the features in this house. Alright, so in order to exit the house, this is the confusing part if you haven't done so yet. On your remote on the left side, there is a button that you might have to look down away from your headset, like take the headset off and actually view. There's a button with 3 lines on it, and you just want to hold it down until you exit the tour. And it should work eventually. Or you double click on it up! Hold it down or you double click on it. What I was I double clicked on it and I was able to exit out. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, it actually is pretty scary. I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully watching this helps you if you have an Oculus Quest lying around. I definitely recommend you give this a chance, give this a try. Check it out. Give me a like. Follow me, do whatever. I'd appreciate it very much. Happy Halloween, everybody.